very much sure. Thank you.
For you, call us, sir. Wait.
You can eat with rice hand also.
Hey guys, where are you? How are you doing?
Great. How about
Tell
you?
me about this trip, man.
So far, we're going camping. Right
Okay.
now, and we're on the way to a rafting site.
Awesome. So are you excited?
Yeah, we're excited. We're excited.
Yeah, no need to wear mask and all, right?
Nope. We're
Oh, okay.
corona free.
So tell me one by one. You introduce yourself.
What is corona?
I'm Audie.
Okay.
I'm Aria.
Mm-hmm.
I'm Adit.
I'm Kaushal.
Okay. Tell me your grade. Which grade you are in?
I'm in second. I'm in seventh.
I'm going to 10th grade.
And I'm going to 9.
So where are you going now?
I'm going to third.
No. Where you are going right now? Rafting?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Catch you later.
Okay.
Hey, your job is to make everything. All kids wash their hands.
No, they're coming.
If it's hot, it's good. You give the paddle to us. Boys, ஒரு டான்ஸ் போடுங்க.
அதை எடுப்பா டர்ன் பண்ணலாம்.
Hey guys, so we're in our second day of our camping trip. We went rafting. It's really fun. We went 5.5 miles. So first when we got there, we bought our tickets and then they drove us to this river. And from there, we went rafting back to the original place that the bus took us, which is 5 miles. It was really, really fun.
Yes, and it's day 2, so we have all of our families here, all the Indian families. We're all cooking together, I guess cleaning our campsite and everything together, but yes, spending a lot of time. And it's really nice to do this after COVID complications and everything, because we're all finally getting to see each other again.
Yeah, it's been really fun. So we've been here on our second day and we went rafting and stuff, so yeah.
It's been a nice way to unplug from all of our devices and spend some time in the
Together.
wilderness.
Yeah, after a while.
And this is Ria, by the way.
Yeah.
Yes.
Anand, Ganesh, just on this.
So it is around 9:30 at night, and we are all having s'mores and with the campfire. We're grilling chicken, having s'mores for the kids and everything. This is day 2, so we're actually almost done with day 2. So day 3, we'll go on to see that tomorrow. There's actually fireworks because tomorrow's the 4th of July, and so people are celebrating as well. So yeah, So far, the camping trip has been really fun. Last time we went camping was 2 years ago, so this is a really nice way to come back after COVID.
This one, no.
Yeah, it's okay. That's good.
No. Keep it there. Sheet vechukkonga.
The sheet
Turn this side. Let's turn this side. This side. Okay, I have to come back to you.
Hey, super, nice. Looks great.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now swing. This side.
Very hot in the back.
Now put your hand. We should do the Cupid shuffle. I can do that one.
Ajavadi.
Like doing a circle.
You always on the other side of. They keep changing sides.
So we are on day 3 of our camping trip, and yesterday we went rafting, we had s'mores, we had grilled foods and everything, and so now we're all awake and ready to have a lot of fun on this 3rd day. It's actually the 4th of July as well, so I think we might be doing fireworks. So yeah, it's really festive. Everyone's coming back after COVID, and we're ready to make this 4th of July one to really remember. So yeah, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Adigale channel. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Please like, comment
Share and subscribe
to
Adigale
channel.